Students, today I am going to tell you credit creation by the commercial bank. What is the process to create credit by the commercial bank? Actually, credit creation by the commercial bank depends upon the value of legal reserve ratio. Legal reserve ratio. If the greater the legal reserve ratio, the higher will be the smaller will be the credit creation and vice versa. जितना ज़्यादा लीगल रिजर्व रेशियो रहेगा क्रेडिट क्रिएशन उतना ही कम होगा. तो इसका फॉर्मूला है क्रेडिट क्रिएशन बाय द बैंक इज इक्वल टू इनिशियल डिपॉजिट इंटू 1 बाई LRR. LRR is legal reserve ratio. It is also known as cash reserve ratio in the form of cash reserve ratio. So now I am going to explain the process. मैं तुमको प्रोसेस बता रही हूँ. कई राउंड में जाके फाइनली हमें मिलता है. तो हम अभी इनिशियल डिपॉजिट मान लो किसी बैंक के पास 1,000 रुपये है. सपोज द बैंक हैज़ गॉट 1,000 रुपीज़ एज इनिशियल डिपॉजिट एंड लीगल रिजर्व रेशियो फॉर द वी हैव एज्यूम टू बी 20%. देन 1,000 इंटू 1/20%. And how will 20% be written? It will be written as 20/100. So 1,000 into 100 into 1/20 is equal to 5,000. So total credit creation of the bank will be 5,000. Out of which legal reserve ratio will be 1,000 and 4,000 will be your loan. In this total creation in the first round, let's take the case of, sorry, here I have written 400. It should be 4,000 rather than 400. So let's focus on, first of all, focus on the formula. What is the formula? Formula is credit creation is equal to 1 is equal to initial deposit into 1 by LRR, legal reserve ratio. Now let's take the case of first round. What is going in the first round? In the first round, we are going to see that what is the total initial deposit? Initial deposit is 1,000 rupees. और 1,000 का फिर 20% कितना हो गया? It is 200. And और बचा कितना? It will be 800. Now in the next round, this 800 will become your derivative deposit. Out of this 800, again 20% is 160 and the remaining is 640 will be given as loan. In the third round, this 640 will become your derivative deposit, and 128, out of which 20% is 128, and it will go on till the total deposit becomes 5,000 rupees and legal reserve ratio is 1,000 and the loan is equal to 4,000. It will materialize in various rounds. So you can write up to the four round. 4 round is more than enough. No need to go beyond that. After that you will give the dash sign and you will show the final round. And now what is it? It also depends upon the formula of money multiplier. What is money multiplier? Money multiplier is equal to 1/CRR or cash reserve ratio. That is a formula of money multiplier. In this way you have to also note, not only you have to show but you have to also write the working of this. Here the question had come, explain the working of credit creation by the bank. In this case you have to write how the credit creation takes place. In the first round, it is the total deposit with the bank is 1,000 rupees, out of which 20% is 200 and the loan is 800. You have to even show the working.